So here I'm going to teach you about a site that I found, which is great, and it was able to give me free stocks. And if you do it, you will also get free stocks. And this maybe can be your beginning of your journey onto the investing world. So let's dive right in. Hey everyone, it's Ali the Finance Father, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can get free stocks. But before I begin, please consider subscribing to my channel where you'll find everyday finance topics like investing and passive income strategies, lowering your taxes, and other personal finance tips to help you financially live a better life. I've been investing in the stock market for many years, back when I started probably in 1996. And I know the rate of returns that you can get from investing in the stock market. Now, here is an example of what the stock market, the S&P 500 specifically, which are the top 500 US companies, has done since 1926, since its inception. Pretty good. The average here is about a 10% rate of return over all those years. Investing journey, there are various vehicles or types of investments you can start. You can buy individual stocks, you can buy mutual funds, you can buy CDs or money markets, you can buy government bonds, all different types of things. And I'm going to just really touch upon the individual stocks because this is where you're going to use the app that I'm going to tell you about to get free stocks. Let me just tell you the difference though between an individual stock investing and investing in mutual funds. So when you're investing in an individual stock, it's pretty much simply as it states. You're buying one company, like say Amazon or Facebook, okay? And if it goes up, then you make money. If it goes down, you could lose some money. While if you invest in mutual funds, they pool the money from many people and they invest it spread out over various companies. So like I mentioned, Amazon and Facebook, but there could be 100 other companies that one mutual fund is invested in, and your money is invested in that mutual fund and spread out. So if the fund is 100 companies and say 70 go up and 30 go down, you're still going to make some money because most of those companies went up in value and therefore you've made money. So regardless of whether you choose to invest in individual stocks or in mutual funds, get started today investing because that's going to get you started on the journey to increasing and building your wealth for the future. Okay, so you might be thinking, all right, Ali, tell me about the free stocks you just mentioned. Well, I found this great company called Webull online, and that's Webull. And what they are is a similar trading platform like Robinhood or TD Ameritrade or a Fidelity, where you can buy and sell stocks, you can invest in mutual funds, you can invest even in options or cryptocurrency. But I'll leave that for another video so you can watch. Now I've added a link down below to their site so you can check it out. But basically, when you join Webull, and it's free, remember, you don't have to pay, they'll give you 4 free stocks for when you open an account and deposit at least $100. So an incentive for joining Webull is that they give you 4 free stocks. So let me tell you how it works. When you open up an account, they'll give you 2 free stocks. Now those 2 free stocks are going to be valued anywhere between $2.50 all the way up to $250. And then second is when you deposit at least $100, could be more, but at least $100 into your account, they're going to give you another 2 free stocks. Now those 2 free stocks are going to be valued anywhere between $8 to $1,600, okay? So now you're going to have a total of 4 stocks that are going to be valued anywhere from $21 all the way to $3,700. Now isn't that great? Just for signing up to the site, you're going to get 4 stocks, start out on your investing journey, and you could have anywhere between $20, could be $100, it could be $1,000 or even up to $3,700 of free stock to get you started on this journey. And if you're lucky, you'll get stocks such as Apple or Walmart or even Nike or even maybe Tesla, which is hot and it's great right now to own. So you could either log on to the website or use their mobile app, which is what I do. I just go on the mobile app and it's very easy to watch and trade and even learn everything that you need to. Another great benefit when you join Webull is that they give you additional free stock when you refer family and friends. So when you refer the first person, they'll give you 2 free stocks. When you refer a second person, they'll give you 8 free stocks. So that's a total of 10 stocks just for referring 2 people. That's awesome. I mean, where else can you get 10 free stocks anywhere? All right, so let me show you exactly how I did it, okay? So when I opened up my Webull account, okay, that's me, I got 2 free stocks for opening the account and 2 free stocks when I deposited $100. And then I referred to my brother and he opened an account and deposited $100. And I also referred my son Cameron to open and deposit $100. So when they did that, I got 2 free stocks from Omar and 8 additional stocks for referring Cameron. So there's the 4 that I started with, plus 10 new stocks for referrals. So I got a total of 14 stocks. Now, my brother Omar did the same thing. He referred my mother, and he also referred a friend of his to Webull. And he got the same thing, 4 free stocks from opening and depositing an account, and another 10 for referring. So he got 14 free stocks. And Cameron over here did the same thing. He did it to his brother Alex, and he also did it to my wife. I'm gonna put wife here, but it's Cameron's mother. So when he also referred, he got also 14 free stocks. So you see how this cycle becomes a web of stocks. And now my mom also referred a couple people. Alex sent it to two of his friends. And my wife also referred to her mom and dad. I'll put dad here. And she got 14 free stocks. So it starts to build this web of stocks. And this is one of the powers and the value that Webull provides, because you can be getting free stocks from all of these referrals. Now remember, there's a certain value to these stocks. So after you accumulate, let's say when you refer 2 friends, the 14 free stocks, then that's going to be worth at least a minimum of $100 or more. And remember, you have your $100 that you deposited. So if you wanted to, after a month or 2, you can just close out the account, sell your free stocks, get your $100 at least or more of free stocks, and get back your $100 that you deposited to your account. You can use that $100 that you deposited into your account and invest it in stocks and watch it grow over time. Now, there are other great sites that offer free stocks or talk about saving money, like Robinhood and Acorn, and I'll post another video about those sites and the pros and cons for those in the future. Well, I hope today's the day that you open up your own Webull account and start investing and building wealth for your future. If you got value out of this video, smash the like button so that this valuable content can be shared with other people. And don't forget to subscribe so you can learn more about similar strategies and other financial tips. And while you're at it, leave me a comment below and tell me how much money you got in free stocks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.